TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good Wednesday morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time Wednesday morning. We got 30 minutes to go until the start of trading. We got tech stocks higher, NASDAQ 100 up by 85 points, continuing the run. We got the 10-year yield approaching 1.3%. We're actually under that level briefly overnight. We're looking at a yield right now of 1.31. We'll jump over to the 10-year in a moment. We get the S&Ps up about 3 points. Quite a little acceleration. We got to negative prices yesterday. Intraday got it back by most of the end of the day, and we're right back to where we kicked off this week's trading, at a price point of about 43.38 in the S&Ps. NASDAQ 100, talk about relentless strength. We trade yesterday from a price point of about 14,775. We're down to a low of about 14,625 intraday yesterday at about noon. And just like that, we're higher, folks. We're higher by 0.6% overnight. We're trading at 14,862. Seems like 15,000 within reach, maybe even today in the NASDAQ 100. Dow with some volatility yesterday to the downside. We kicked off the trading early Tuesday at 34,755 within about 250 points of all-time highs on the Dow. And just like that, talk about an escalation to lower prices. You had the Dow trading down about 400 plus points intraday yesterday. We're extending some of those losses. We're down about 41 points right now overnight, 34,419. Russell really taking a hit yesterday as well. You traded from almost 2310 down to 2250. You're talking about almost 60 points in the Russell 2000, and we're back approaching those lows this morning at 2262. Bitcoin hovering right at around 35,000 this morning. Crude with volatility continuing. We were up at $77 yesterday. You make a low of about 73. We were just back down at 73 within the last hour. Crude trading at $73.94. Gold catching a little bit of a bid. You're up $11 at $18.05. The high yesterday, $18.15. And we'll jump to notes and bonds. We get Fed minutes today at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Keep your eye out for those. We'll see what the Fed governors are talking about in their bid to maybe talk about tapering in any way. But look at this 10-year. Remarkable. You look where we were yesterday. We were trading at 132.20, essentially coming into the opening bell. Yesterday, 24 hours later, you've traded up a full point in the 10-year. You're looking at a yield right now of 1.31% in the 10-year. That's putting a lift in the tech stocks in a big way. How about Amazon yesterday? My goodness. Not bad for Mr. Bezos stepping out of the CEO role. Amazon charging higher yesterday to tune of like $160. Bezos making like almost $9 billion just yesterday alone. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be